Hey guys, get ready with me for a date? That definitely does not exist. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this week's episode. Now, Valentine's Day may have passed, and that doesn't mean we shouldn't be allowed to spoil ourselves now, right? Let's get into the video. Excuse the look today, I'm looking super clocky. No matter how much I try, the shadow just does not want to disappear. But we need to create a statement piece for this little pamper session, we'll call it, for ourselves. And what I'm thinking is this little baby doll I got. It's not really designed for public use, but we'll lay it out. We'll add some extras. It's not too much of an issue. But what I'm thinking is, as I say, this nice, sleek, silky baby doll. Let me show you. And here we go. It's this soft to the touch. It is, honestly, it's heaven. It's got like little corset design to it as well. It is the definition of adorable, if I do say so myself, and I do. But we now need to make it look appropriate for the outside world, because I don't know if you can tell, but it's not very long, and I want to be able to get into these clubs. I don't want to be getting turned away at the door for flashing too much cheek, I could have said a better line. Wait, no, I've got a better line. I don't want to be getting turned away at the door for having too much chic. Next segment. And here it is. This is the bulk of the outfit, which for this springtime, I think is just absolutely gorgeous. It really helps create your own little Wednesday Addams vibe, you know what I mean? I like the way that is. See, this isn't cinched up or anything like that, just because I don't want it sitting too heavy on there, because I think the ruffle effect becomes a bit too ruffled. That makes sense? Made sense in my head. Anyway, but obviously we can't leave it at this. I need to add more to it. My bare legs, and as I say, my cheeks hanging out. You thought you were going to get to see something then, didn't you? You genuinely did. No, I can't leave this with my cheeks hanging out or anything like that. So what we're going to do instead is pad it out. Okay, what I decided to do was add these sort of like, they're not fully fishnets, but at the same time I thought fishnets would make this look a bit trashy for what I'm trying to go for. We want to go classy for a change. And when I've padded out the base layer a bit more for myself, you'll see what I mean. But for these ones, because of the type of design they are, if I just bring it in a bit, they have that nice little texture to it without, as I say, becoming too trampish, which is most of the time my style. I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. I know, I'm growing. And here we go. I can confidently step back a little bit now and show you what I mean. As I say, what I've done is I've got this like skirt, this ruffled skirt that can go underneath. And I'm kind of liking the little like texture type of feature to it. So I would say it's still the baby doll that just barely covers my butt, but with the nice little white overture, I'm kind of liking that. I might end up changing the tights. Overall, that one I'm kind of like. Now, you know me and my accessories, I love them. So we're going to add a few to this little mix now. We're going to just spice it up a bit, And I've got these little handguard fish net type thingies just to sort of match the tights. Let's go. And here we are with essentially the final look with this lovely little belt feature. A nice little like gothic style necklace to really match our Wednesday Adam vibe. And what do you think? I think it's quite playful in terms of the way it looks. It doesn't reveal too much too soon, but at the same time allowing to showcase your figure effectively. I really like it. I think we slayed.